There's always more room for shiny Pokemon in your collection, and that's why today we're continuing our isolated encounter locations so you can get yourself the fairy-type Pokemon Tinkatuff. Then you can evolve it up to a Tinkaton. You can get yourself as many as you want to hunt on this, and this is going to make it way easier. Let's hop in. Real quick, triple check to make sure your autosaves are turned off, and then lay down a hard save. Then you're going to start making yourself a fairy-type sandwich. If you need help with a couple different recipes, you can click on the card up here. But then to really increase your shiny odds, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up button. That way you get even better shiny odds, and you keep getting these isolated encounter videos as they come out so you can continue building your shiny decks huge. All right, let's hop into the location. Now with all of our sandwich powers activated, we're gonna open up our map and come over here to Zapapico West, specifically the west location. So Zapapico West, we're gonna fly here. Now that we're in Zapapico West, we just are right there at the location. Dolly Zappa Passage is right on the other side of the town line. And as you can see, that Fairy Power Sandwich is already giving us all these Tinkatuffs. They're everywhere. The shiny that we're looking for is going to actually just be a change in the hammer color. It's going to become like a goldish copper almost. So you do need to look at their hammers, not their bodies. It can be a little bit tricky depending on how deep in the grass they are, but you'll notice them. That's the shiny. It's just that hammer, just that hammer. All right, we're gonna save and we're going to encounter this. How long did that take? 3 minutes, just over 3 minutes. That's insanity. Let's catch this little girl. All right, Premier Ball, first try. All right, we got the shiny. 3 minutes into the sandwich. That's pretty, we've had some pretty great luck on these hunts, but when you're just seeing that many of one specific Pokemon and you have boosted shiny odds, odds are in your favor. That's awesome. I'm gonna see if we can get a second one. We've already had pretty good luck, but I'll see if we can get a second one. Well, we went the rest of the sandwich, and that was the only shiny we found, but still, getting a shiny within 3 minutes is pretty incredible. You could easily hop to another fairy hunt as soon as you found it if you were also only 3 minutes in. Just going to give it a little bit of level because it was already pretty much where it needed to be, and evolve her into her big girl self. Amazing. I love this Pokemon so much. Easily top 5 favorites of the new generation, probably top 3. And it gets Gigaton Hammer, which is such a great steel type move. I love this Pokemon. There you have her. Shiny Tinkaton, evolved from our Shiny Tinkatuff that we just hunted, that only took us 3 minutes to get, thanks to this location paired with a sandwich. What amazing odds. It's so fun to hunt this way, in my opinion. And you get awesome shiny Pokemon out of it. So comment down below how long it took you. If it took you more than one sandwich, don't worry about it. Sometimes it does. That's totally fine. Tinkatuff's taking a nap. I think I'm going to go take a nap. But comment down below on how long it took you, who you want to see us isolate hunt next. Subscribe for more. Hit that thumbs up button. All the different things. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.